Hey guys, Discount Tools back here with another unboxing video. I got this M18 fuel impact wrench, one key for $90 at Home Depot. They're clearancing them out. They're making way for the new items they got coming out since they had the Milwaukee synopsis in May. And they're having some really good deals. So let's do a look at the specs here. You got the 1/4 hex chuck, fastening torques 1800 inch-pounds. You got RPMs is 0 to 3000. IPM is 0 to 3700, which is a lot of impacts per minute right there. Length is 5.25 inches. Weight is 2.1 pounds. So you got a 5-year warranty on this. Always wanted a impact driver from Milwaukee, and I thought this was a great deal. There are some other better deals out there if you can find them, but right now I was very interested with this. And with the one key, you can keep track of it, lock it out. You can locate it, alert when found, identify where it is, manage who uses it, securely remote it. And then you can simplify. I guess looks like you do tool records, save receipts, know where the items are, create a file. You can set the speed, power, and speed settings, and access the your profiles, which is pretty cool. You can know what do you want to do, or what speed you want. You know how to do it. So let's open this up. Come on. Get my knife out. Thought this was already open. Box is in not the greatest condition. It's probably returned or it's that old. Here we go. Alright, so it's upside down. Got just came out of the bag. Whoa. I won't drop this guy yet. Wow, this is a really light gun. I mean, it's very compact in the hand. Just switch my hand here. I'm a righty. That way I get a better feel to it. Damn. The selector here is really nice. Feels good in the hand. The M18 grip feels great. Get a rubber overmolding all over the place, especially here. It's the hex chuck. Belt clip. You got 4 molds, and you got, of course, the focus. 4 molds there, and the M18 blue tooth adaptation for the one key. Let me get the a battery here. 1 second. Got one back here. Got the 5 amp. Let's put her on. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Perfect. Well, definitely feels a little. Definitely want to have like a 2 amp on this one. It feels a little heavy. If you look at it, I mean, the battery is almost a little bigger than the tool itself. Right now it's on setting 1. Should take this off. I'm on setting 2 now. What I have to do is push here. No, 3's on. And it's getting louder now. Let's do setting 4. Wow, that is a powerful impact driver. I can just hear it. You can hear it right there. Wow, I'm looking forward to using this impact driver. I really am. We're really happy that I got this. And I think the last one, yeah, lights up the blue. And you go back to 1. Let me see if you could see that. You can scroll right through. So I'm very impressed with the power right now I'm hearing from it, and I'm gonna do a quick review, like, you know, showing this in action. Got a couple of projects I want to show how powerful this impact is. So stay tuned to the channel. Like the video if you like what you see. Leave a comment down below, and please subscribe. This channel is growing, so please keep on trucking, and I'll check you out later. Peace.